So, you're like, I'm actually doing the job. Kane's not gonna do anything malicious. It's not in his nature. That's rich coming from you. Ugh.
Hello, Sheila. Have a sausage bacon jaffle combo.
And the mate here just wants 6 hash browns, split in between them, please. You are all right there, miss?
You're not a kid. Don't know about that one, mate.
Can I help you, miss? Hi.
Do we know each other?
What? Breakfast? Where's Pomni?
Huh? Oh, she's flirting with the gummy guy because she'd rather be with an NPC than with us or something.
Well, that won't do.
I wish someone would flirt with me.
We need you on the registers. Stop weirding the customers out. Next year, you're gonna say my 40 isn't real. Anyway, put that breakfast menu up because it's lunchtime.